Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful depowder nail design. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Rusty Nail Pink Depowder known as Honeymoon, Azure Beauty Glitter Depowder, Kiara Sky Pure White Depowder, and Pro Dip Clear Depowder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Then I'm applying one layer of base and dipping it into clear acrylic powder. This is an optional step, and it's also a way to protect my natural nails. Now onto the pinky nail, I'm applying base to the whole nail, and then I angle my finger into the glitter depowder to achieve a side French. Then I dip my finger into Rusty Pink Depowder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Now onto the ring finger, I'm applying base to the whole nail, and then I angle my finger into the white dip powder. I realized I wanted a little more white on that area there. That's why I changed my mind so I could dip it more into the white dip powder and then go back to the glitter dip powder. And then into the white dip powder again. Always take your time when doing these methods so you don't mess up. And then into the pink dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. And also don't take too much time because it's glue we are working with, and glue could dry a little fast. Now onto the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I dip it into the white dip powder at an angle to achieve a side French, and then the rusty nail dip powder. Oh, the rusty pink dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Onto the index finger, I did a chevron moon design, so I applied base to the whole nail, and then I angled my finger into the pink dip powder. Ensure to leave it in the dip powder for about 5 seconds before going on to the next side. And then I dip it into the glitter dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Then on the thumb, I did this simple color block nail design. Now I encapsulate all of the nails with clear dip powder. I did a few layers, but I'll only be showing 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited a while, and then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now if I wanted to choose the powder top coat, I would apply some activator, wait a while, apply 1 layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel top coat, I don't have to apply activator. I just go in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!